So in this video, I am going to show you how to enable Storage Sense in Windows 11. Enabling this feature will help you automatically free up disk space by removing unnecessary files. It keeps your system running smoothly without manual cleanups. So let's start the video. First, click on the Start menu and go to Settings. In the Settings window, click on System from the left and select Storage from the right hand menu. Under the Storage Management section, you will see the Storage Sense option. Turn on the toggle switch to activate Storage Sense. You can also configure it by clicking on the option itself, where you can customize how frequently Windows deletes temporary files, empty the recycle bin, and remove old downloads automatically. If you found this helpful, don't forget to liking the video.